ServiceM8 Phone, a smartphone for trades and service businesses. It's in the cloud. You can answer calls from your phone number from anywhere in the world. Every call that happens in your business, you can see in real time. All outgoing calls come from your business number, whether your field staff are making the call from their iPhone or office staff are making the call from their computer. And it's deeply integrated with ServiceM8, allowing us to streamline tasks, automate, and improve visibility. Let's check it out. First of all, it's actually a completely new iOS app, ServiceM8 Phone, that works alongside the current ServiceM8 app. And secondly, there is a ServiceM8 Phone app for your web browser to use the phone through the dispatch board. Let's see it in action. When a customer calls your business number, your phone rings. Whoa. But this is where it gets cool. Say you have an admin staff member working from their computer at home because of a pandemic or something. Their phone rings too. It will ring all staff you choose on whatever they're connected from. It could be their iPhone, iPad, or computer, simultaneously. And it doesn't matter where they are. They could literally be in Kathmandu or even Darwin, wherever that is. And I want to emphasize that it's only the staff you choose to answer phones. So your field staff are not going to get interrupted with phone calls. Pretty cool, right? Well, it's about to get cooler. Because the phone is connected to your ServiceM8 data, you can see who is calling and greet them by name. Once you've answered, you have instant access to their most recent job and job history, including any upcoming bookings. You can tap to open the job over in ServiceM8 and check for the details or make changes while you're on the call. Or you can view any other open jobs they have with your business. You also have the option to enter a call summary. This can be used to enter a brief description of the purpose of the call and any action required, so you can tell what the call was about in a single glance. To make entering summaries quicker, you can add your most used summaries in one tap. If the client has a new inquiry, you have some options. You can send them an online booking text, inviting them to complete your inquiry form, which will come through to your ServiceM8 inbox. Or you can create a new job on the spot, which will start the new job wizard in ServiceM8. If you answer the phone from the dispatch board, ServiceM8 will automatically search and show all jobs for that caller in the job list. The ability to see who's calling and getting instant access to their information allows you to instantly make a huge difference in customer service. It's like magic, nothing they've ever received before and well beyond their expectations. After a call, you can action it in the same way you could on the call. You have quick access to their jobs, you can set a summary, send a booking text, create a new job, or you can send the call to your ServiceM8 inbox. If you close out of the call, you can view a list of all recent calls. You can see if they were missed or answered, who they were answered by. You can even see if a missed call has been returned. You can re-access the call details of any recent call by tapping here. To call a client, it's the same as it was before. You can tap any number in the ServiceM8 app, and it will start the call in the ServiceM8 phone instead of the Apple phone. But what's really cool is you can now make calls from your computer. From the dispatch board on an open job card, you have a new call button. Click the drop down and select the contact you want to call, and the ServiceM8 phone will call them. But wait, there's more. You can click to call numbers saved in notes or within emails, saving your office staff from having to manually enter phone numbers all day. And whether staff are calling from the dispatch board or the iOS app, they'll all be calling from your business number. This means clients always have one contact number for your business, no matter who they're dealing with. There's also some really useful features for handling calls. While you're on a call, you can transfer them to someone else if needed, such as the technician for their job or someone back in the office. Another useful scenario is where the client is on the line and you want to put them on hold while you check something with a team member. To do this, transfer the call to the team member you want to speak with. Have a quick chat with them while the client is on hold, and when you're done, tap Cancel Transfer and you'll be reconnected with the client. Every call that you make and receive automatically saves against a job. If you set a call summary, you can see that along with a recording and transcription, providing a more complete picture of communication throughout the job. ServiceM8 Phone allows you to manually or automatically record calls in your business. So you can not only see that a call happened, but listen to how the call was handled. All recorded calls are also automatically transcribed. It even breaks the conversation down by speaker. Now we'll admit, the transcription is not perfect, but it does make it easy to quickly see what happened on a call. On the app, you can even play back specific parts of the transcript. Say a client provided you their job and email address during the call. You can open up the call transcript and tap that part of the conversation to listen back to it, allowing you to quickly get the information you need. Call recording and transcription open up new ways of working. Say you're on a roof or somewhere you can't easily take information down. You can ask the customer to tell you their contact and job details, knowing that you can get this information later from the recording when you have your hands free. If you offer an after-hours service, calls automatically divert to the staff member on call after normal business hours. You can easily set who is on call, both in the ServiceM8 app through the staff area or online from the staff dropdown. So you never need to remember to divert your phone or pass around an on-call phone again. You also have a separate voicemail message for after hours. So if the person on call can't get to the phone, they'll hear your message about your after-hours services before they leave a voicemail. For many of you, you've probably found it hard to let go of your after-hours phone, and one of the driving factors being that you don't know what's happening. Well, now you can. As a business owner, at any time you can view business calls and see whether business calls are being answered, missed, and if they've been called back. If you don't offer an after-hours service, or when a call is missed, the caller will go through to your voicemail and they're invited to leave a message. You can access and listen to voicemails through the recent calls on the ServiceM8 Phone app, and voicemails also arrive in your ServiceM8 inbox, where you can listen to the recording, review the transcript, and then action it. With all your phone calls going through ServiceM8, we can provide you with some new insights into the calls in your business. First of all, we've added a new dashboard item, showing you the total incoming calls you've received in the last 4 weeks. Whether the phone is ringing is a simple but reliable indicator of incoming work. We've also created 2 reports breaking down your incoming calls. You can get an idea of call volume between operating hours and after hours, and you can see a breakdown of potentially missed opportunities by looking at all missed calls between business hours and after hours. You also have a full history of all calls in the business. You can filter the calls down by staff, time of day, and whether it was answered or missed. Finally, we've got an awesome activity feed report for after hours calls. Whenever an on-call shift changes, you get a simple report of calls that happened after hours while the staff member was on call. It shows how many calls they answered, how many they missed, and then the total revenue generated from those calls. This simple report will help you stay on top of how on-call staff are performing. So the next big question is, what does it cost? We wanted this to be an affordable and fair price for small business. So today we're launching with 2 plans. First is a $9 a month pay-as-you-go plan. You have access to the full functionality of the phone system. Unlimited staff, access anywhere, outbound caller ID, on-call staff management, inbox voicemail, call recording and transcription, call reporting and insights, and then you pay 8 cents a minute for calls. And we're offering a second unlimited plan for $49 a month, which comes with unlimited phone calls and all the phone functionality. These are our introductory pricing plans and will only be available until the 1st of January 2021, after which the price will go up. But if you start before the 1st of January, you'll get to keep your introductory price. Check out our website for pricing for your region. ServiceM8 Phone is launching with support for Australia, United Kingdom, United States, and Canada, and rolling out gradually. If you want to get started, you can join the waitlist through the add-on store.